YouTube mo yan. Miya ka na ba? Ano ba yan? Nakagaman naman.
Lasing ako.
Wish I could see to you.
Pwede ka sa Facebook? Video?
Video. YouTube.
Hindi ko alam. YouTube.
Baby,
Galingan mo. Ah, Hi, Tari.
you need someone willing to give the heart and soul to you. Promise you forever. Maybe that's something I can do. All I could say that I'll be all
Iyak na o.
but
Mamaya mo siya, mamaya. Teka mo na.
I know I'll only hurt you.
I know I wanna make you cry.
Ako, bi ako.
I'm not the one you need. I love you. Goodbye. Ikaw na.
Hope someday we
Boses
can
para rin mo sa akin kung nakikibidyo.
only to
Hindi ako
understand.
Hindi ako marunong makanyan.
Okay lang yun.
Knowing this for you,
Magaling mo sa inyo para na makita ko ang anak ko. Tara sa mami ko.
I-post ko sa Facebook ko.
Aray ko.
take it all.
Tara sa mami ko.
Is it
Wala yung friend eh.
Nakalimutan nga.
Oo nga.
Pangalan ko lalagay mo.
gonna someone holding to what
Eh, Ani. Friend kami ni Ani.
will never be? Would you something better than love you found me? Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that will be
A cry. I know I only hurt you. I know I only make you cry. I'm not the one you need. I love you. Goodbye.
Needing someone
Garcia.
you love someone is the word you say to do.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Love someone as much as I love you. Oh, I don't wanna leave you. Baby, it hurts me up inside. I'll never be the one you need. I love you. It's never gonna work
Hindi ko alam kung kita na yun eh.
out.
Unang pa sila na yun.
I love you.
Ilang time mo kita ka din.
Goodbye.
Ay, nagkakata na yan eh. Hindi ko alam yung iba niyan eh.